2016. Not be April Fool. You see us live, loud and direct from our Ogbonge studio, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. And this now that action politic discussion show as it is hot. We tell us every weekday from 10 to 11 not on Christmas. Sake of say all the action to the when they happen inside the Obodo Nigeria, we go carry everything, drop. Friday, the day very, very special because na jollof rice things. As we go carry all the stories from Monday when we discuss rich Thursday, come top them with small chops based on current affairs. My name is Ezugo Chokwodi, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. We get Ogbonge visitor and my brother when Sabu will take concerning politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, a beautiful Friday morning to our wonderful and beautiful viewers who watch us right now. We don't carry us to the hot. Come again. Today's edition will be the sequel edition where we'll give now just as Chukwu talk. Every information we'll talk about from Monday, reach and yesterday will be Thursday. So at least for those of our viewers where they watch us, we miss out, they will fit contribute their own quarter at least to the whole discussion. So that at least government know they lead us, they will feel here say yes. So people where they talk. So that at least they will feel know the next action where they will take. My name never change. My name is Unkubi, and this now as it all.
I'm going to introduce our Ogbonge visitor. Then we'll go quick. Rush all the discussion when we can come so that thing go get time to analyze them well. In as somebody when we say every time when we give them invitation, anything when in they do, in go cancel them to join us. Sometimes we even they beg them say, I beg go, no verse say we they invite you anyhow, but in go tell us say make no worry. Any issue when get to do with Nigeria, the thing they pay them well. Now why they like to contribute for that particular discussion. In a man of many parts, I go speak English because pidgin no reach to cover them. He's a man of enchanting physiognomy and several degrees and characters. Entrepreneur, journalist, media practitioner. Is Ogagbola Oba.
Shukudi.
You don't talk too much. You just impulse. You realize say yes. Anytime we in talk, say in just respect himself.
Shukudi, this thing. I say make you leave her. You never leave her. Shukudi alone want to buy.
But you know, say you.
When you want to start self, the way you are, and I'll be pushy boy. Make pushy boy can shake for this thing. I say make you leave her. Shukudi.
Respect yourself and live that way.
Okay, we don't go waste plenty time now. You know our tradition. Every time when we start as the hot, we dey like shake hand, make everybody for us know say now peace, the whole discussion and everything. Nice one. We don't go waste time
American
basketballers. Make we start with what we discuss on Monday. Monday, March 28th. Now Easter Monday. We can carry topic when we say they touch plenty people for their heart. We carry our Ogbonge visitor, Pastor Iyanyi Ejiogu, to join us inside studio and we discuss religion. How if it take build Nigeria. We discuss the fact say some people they carry religion for their head. So they go come be like say it affect how they take the patriotic to our Obodo Nigeria. And our Ogbonge visitor Chukma for the matter in talk say no matter how the thing take be, no matter the holy book where you talk say you read, it don't get clear for inside there say you must do your best to move your country forward based on say you dey love people when they around you and you dey do things when we say it no go dey bad or it no go affect negatively the people when we say they surround you. We no go talk too much. In the spirit of Easter Monday, we've been drop that particular discussion before we move enter inside Tuesday.
Yeah, straight up into Tuesday we can carry this matter enter. Leaders of tomorrow. Now be the topic. I will come to ask say which tomorrow? China tomorrow where we say where they never give birth to. I mean tomorrow where we say we still expect to go come maybe in 1 century or 1 millennium time. Now be the question we come to ask. We can't get one of Ogbonge guest. Will be Trudy Gideon. Now he sit down here with us, come follow us, discuss this matter. I can't say look, one of the reasons why we only hear this state say leaders of tomorrow. Now because I say the present people with the government do it, never really give those youth, those young vibrant people, that is youth, say at least that level of strength and that level of environment to do it, to say yes, they will also take mantle. The job like say they design that seat for them. Say okay, men are sit down. Say then they even think about the youth or they think about the leaders of tomorrow, what they preach about. Because say look, say youths go need to do it. Say youth go need to at least on their own part raise one voice, make them collectively come together, bring out one voice, so at least make these people be our leaders. If say they say the situation that's now inherited seat, they will feel say yes, say time don't really reach when we'll do it. When we say we need to step into the game. Now, what we talk about on Tuesday be that.
On Wednesday, we get international PR and strategic communication expert, Oga Jermaine Sanwo-Olu, and we discuss one particular issue when they affect plenty people inside Obodo Nigeria. It got to do with the fuel scarcity. We can't call this one, waiting be like James Bond film. The good, the bad, and the ugly truth. Make I break am down, make everybody understand. We talk say when we say the good, we wan look the positive when they say the problem of fuel scarcity inside Nigeria. Based on say realization don enter inside the setup for Nigeria. Say as we dey, say we talk say we get oil, but we still dey queue to buy oil. It still no even dey at all. Say we go need to check our refinery, see say that they produce, or build new ones so that it go fit provide for all the needs of Nigerians. We enter the bad, the kind effect when we say the thing not get for the Nigeria economy, and the fact say everything for Nigeria, even the price of banana when they plant, when they don't even the water with oil, don't increase. Based on say people go talk say fuel no day, dollar don't rise. And we go talk about the ugly truth. How we go tell Nigerians say, see the condition where we dey, see what thing government they do, see what thing people supposed to do, and see where we go there at the end of the day. This one are because of say some people will react to the statement when the junior minister Oga Ibekachuku about petroleum, when he talk about say he no be magician. He call it talk say around May, now we go see say the thing go reduce. Before he come back on talk say April 7, he give date April 7, and with the countdown now 6 days from now we no go forget. But now what we will discuss on Wednesday be that on top as it dey hot.
From here Wednesday we come carry enter yesterday will be Thursday come carry the matter of government. Say the issue of government, say you won't become government official, you won't become governor or president. Say that design am for any special kind of person. Say you go need to do it, you go need to go school for am just to say you won't become either governor or president or any political situation within this country. We can't get one Ogbonga guest will be Dr. Pedro Obaseki will be governorship candidate for those state, just as he declare as come carry am enter seat. He can also talk, say, look, say, he won't contest, but when that time reach, say, the people of the state will know what if he do. You can't talk, say, look, say, anybody can be governor, anybody can be senator, anybody can be president. As long as you get the qualities to become all these things. Say, the issue of power, they're not designed for a special set of people. Say, not be something that they inherit. Not be something they're designed for a particular family. Say, okay, this family will make that the rule goes. As long as there be monarchical system of government. Say, anybody can be anything he wants to become. So, for that reason, that is why him, will be doctor, will be academics, don't come and come say, look, self, himself won't do it, himself won't get himself involved in issue of government, himself won't at least leading people, lead them well. Now, we talk about yesterday, will be Thursday.
Una don't hear all our topic from Monday go reach Thursday, based on Jollof. We go join everything together, allow our Ogbonge visitor to chook mouth on top. When we do review of those ones, we'll enter the current affairs when they inside Obodo, Nigeria. Oga Gbolaba, once again, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much. We
don't waste time.
Good for the opportunity.
This your boy is strong.
And they do like myself. They do like say they important.
No, you are.
You know when you do important, you go. Your voice go. You go learning.
And you know going to travel.
I'm at the bank of Igbo's. Quick.
Okay, Gbolaba. First one on Monday, when be Easter Monday, a lot of our leaders for this country, religious, political, when people they look up to, come out, come talk, say. Easter, they give the meaning of Easter. Say, by the passion of our Lord Jesus Christ, his vicarious death and glorious resurrection, say, don't bring renewal enter our lives.
Hallelujah, somebody. Pastor Shuku.
I know, now what did they talk? I talk.
No, because the way they present us, I'm feeling, I feel churchy. I feel like I did church.
Make I can't drop them down. Now, many politicians come and talk, say, make all of us embrace peace.
Okay.
Make we embrace love. Make we embrace oneness. Some people come call them and say, now when say make we embrace peace, love and oneness, they mention two people. Say, but just a week ago, about a week ago, for River State, it be
two
like
strong men.
Two strong men. When they come and they talk, say make we embrace love in the name of Easter. It be like say the election.
They suspend the love.
They suspend the love.
That time.
Just because of election. Okay, Gbolaba, we no go dwell on top of this one. I go just like make you. By a way, especially when we say you don't go church, you don't go mosque, and you don't work out for night.
How you sabi now? I go Lekewo because he elected my mama. She before she died, she na Muslim. She married last, so I can't go Lekewo. I get a panoramic experience. Panoramic this.
But make we just emphasize.
But jokes apart now. Make we dey serious a little bit. Talk is cheap. True. Talk. Especially anywhere in the world, especially in the political sphere, talk dey cheap. If you look at Nigeria, you know, see for America, say they get their own Trump. Oh, sorry. America gets their own Trump.
Yes.
In a garbage bin, you know, and say everything they go dustbin. So talk is cheap. if person dey talk something wey never dey work the work,
just be like say the talk no dey flow.
Make we move to another point.
Exactly. So Oga Gola, make we just emphasize.
The only thing wey pain me be say we dey for we country. Religion, e good make person believe say God dey. E good make person fear say God dey. Because if you fear God, your relationship with your fellow human beings, it go good. If you truly fear God, no be say you dey take God do drama, advertisement, positioning,
or hypocrisy. Oga Gola, we go like emphasize this particular one. We no say we don't stamp Monday. You don't talk and say. If you truly fear God, it go show for your relationship with fellow man. So whether you dey go mosque, go pray, say Jimo on Friday, or you dey go church, go pray on Sunday, or you dey comot for night. If you believe say Creator dey,
na be Tuesday.
Make I emphasize that, make everybody understand. If you dey comot for night, make everybody know say you believe say one Creator dey, but your relationship with other people, na people go use judge whether that religion wey you
dey do am well. No be your relationship with other people alone. As they do generally.
As your behavior.
People know they see they don't see you. Make you know say. Tuesday
straight up. Tuesday we can enter into the issue of leadership. So, leaders of tomorrow. No be today we don't hear them. We don't hear them. Even before independence we don't hear them. Even to tomorrow. Even till we born our own pikin we don't hear them. We go still hear and they go. Say leaders of tomorrow. When these leaders of tomorrow go take over mantle, which time these leaders of tomorrow go come up? Because we carry Ogonga guys through the you don't want to come. You can't talk say look, the issue be say look, we need to at least demand for wetin be our own. You can also talk say the people wey dey government say they just stand there, they no wan comot. Just like say oko ojoko ti be apani, they no even wan know whether there are people wey dey call leaders of tomorrow wey they suppose get involved into the system. What do you think about this one?
Our president, as they speak now, he dey America. The time where our president first be military head of state.
He was
the president of the country when they now they visit Obama. He never enter Harvard. You know, say
you go write jam first.
Or make just the enter Harvard. He never even finish self. The thing be say the way we structure am here. The way we dey eat our seed with our fruit, and any society where they eat in seed with in fruit, in tomorrow e dey as e be. You know why they talk so? I just want to use this opportunity now, beg Baba Presido Buhari, say he don't constitute in cabinet. We know say the average age of the cabinet now like say like 48 to like 50 to like 52. But you see all other agencies, MDAs, they call them DAs, now, because they don't fill the ministries. So it will remain departments and agencies now. We get so many small people out there.
Where
they vibrant,
the thing where they do. If they give them chance, make them contribute to this Shengi government. The Shengi go quick come where and Baba go leave legacy where go say it go better for a name pass as he done better. So now here I want to take opportunity
to beg him.
Just beg. You know their house, but I know say
he dey watch.
I know say people they watch for him because as you see this Ogbonge this thing, you know say that time sef Egbon dey come here. Egbon now Minister for Information. At least I don't come out here. He don't enter before. I don't enter. He don't enter before. You understand? So and I know say they go to monitor this place. So make we tell the people we get the ears of Baba. Some things dey, some platforms dey. If them put these small persons, no put like me where I don't my teeth don't nearly won't come out. The direction of leadership where they go give, it go bring us nearer to the general prosperity of the world. Now here just one. Now ebeo.
Na beg. You know me say you do shakara.
Because you know say somebody pass you, he pass you. If you go do ya, you go see ya.
Oga Gola, but I go just like we could carry and go another level before we enter Wednesday now. you don't already appeal, say, make Oga Presido, using wisdom, making no say young people, the thing when they go carry come, go add.
No be because we just won't do it because they be young people.
True.
But the reality of the world where we did now tell us, say, some things, make I tell you one joke where they crack for my office. I get one boy, he finished for a university for Benin Republic. About 3.5 years ago, I think saying don't look for job, he tired. He say, he can't write me. He say, the business where they do, he said, get some ideas. Say, if we add that idea put through internet marketing and whatever, he said, me self go no. When they come and look, I can't tell myself, say, what it go cost me if I give this year one? If I give out 30,000 naira a month. You know what? I go give you 30,000 naira a month as a transport fare. I never employ you. I just want to give you transport fare, 30,000 naira. My kind money we have to give, you know. So I say, but if you prove yourself in 2 months, my brother, the business Facebook page, the business Twitter account, where we say now only like 200 followers we get, it just shoot.
He explode.
It just shoot to like thousands. You know they go anywhere. I send them 5,000 naira. I send them make 60,000 naira. From 60,000 naira, less than another year, I say they make 180,000 naira. Because I see the contribution. As I did follow you talk now, the boy, if to say I start the business, bang, where for secondary school, I could not point the boy pass. As I'm talking to you now, the boy, we have made him a partner in the business. Because of the thing.
The idea we bring into the game.
The only idea. And when the boy don't implement, as I'm talking to you now, apart from his salary every month, he is a partner in the business. Which means say, in life, and my life, and my other partner's life, and our picking life don't join together. Because
of the idea.
I always tell them, I go say, Abbas, I am a technology immigrant. You be technology native. When native and immigrant are cooperating, the society go do it. You go prosper. That's now why America prosper. Because the people who make America prosper, majority of them come from all over the world.
That's
so those of us, not the only president, those of us who do leadership, either in secular, commercial, spiritual, begins the way they around the field where God give us. Make we see the ones where get diligence, where get something to hard. Encourage them. Don't let them fear you. If I dey play with the boy, people sometimes go they look say,
your son or your even age mate.
Because you know what? The thing where the value where the boy don't have to the shop. If you see say at the jollo, at the wear good clothes, the boy contribution no be small.
Okay, but we no go waste time. I be want ask one question, say, okay, if we do like this, what the young people go do? But from this example where you don't give, you don't very, very clear, say, the young person
I say, make we no do it for ceremony. Me, I'm talking to you now. As the English self where welcome.
Speak up.
I'm talking as empirical. The empirical,
you do it, it's strong.
My brother, I know they take and play. They play aside they play. Anybody who they watch this program this morning, if you are as old in your 50s as I am in my own 50s, if you just they observe small picking where they around your business, we know say many of them they irresponsible.
And some no get patience.
And some now, you know,
do it by force.
The mentality of I want to reach quick.
I want to arrive.
But if you notice those ones, we get something to hard, even with all their abukus. Try and engage with them, because the more you engage with them and you let them see the future, they will know say benefit they well. If the two of you synergize to build something that is sustainable. And my brother, there are boys and girls out there. The thing where they wire from their head in terms of information technology, even in terms of ideas. Because some of us, we don't know, say we still they look the 70s and the 80s when it be the age of our own ideas.
Very true.
And these guys, when they bring new ideas, you marry them together with your own. And they give example of almost 300% growth in business.
Okay, but today like this now, that's 2/5 of what we carry come. You are
2/4 because
2/4.
now we get today.
Yes.
Now we the review Monday.
You are doing excellently well. Make we enter Wednesday now. We look the sector when we say don't cost plenty attention. It don't draw plenty attention for Obodo Nigeria. The one we get to do with the fuel scarcity. And some people don't express anger with the way certain things don't happen. One, when we say we go mention, whether we like him or not, now the national leader of the All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in come and talk, say, the talk when we say the junior minister for petroleum talk about, say, he no study magic for school, this kind of thing, he no supposed to talk that kind of thing, say he no supposed to talk. And why plenty Nigerians come to say, yes, if the national leader of the All Progressives Congress, I go speak English, they reprimand the junior minister. Now be say we need to look that area where we to see how this thing take the correct. I'm not going to restrain you with any question. I will allow you to flow freestyle on top of that subject. Fuel scarcity situation, the good, the bad, and the ugly truths.
The thing where I go first start with be say when people dey for public service, indeed Shukudi and my brother. When people dey public service, indeed when people get opportunity like we get now, to dey appear, to dey talk to thousands of people, the thing where person dey talk is supposed to make it the washer.
Very true. Oga Gbola, but you no go vex. I know say if you enter inside this particular talk, you go talk well, and I know we won't cut you. Our people when they for us, quick one, we go rush enter inside this market, don't go anywhere. If your neighbors know they, call them because the next thing when Oga Gbola go drop now, a very, very strong thing. We they come back now, see the hot. Now Wazobia TV, now channel 98 on top of Go TV.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.